Everyone, please confirm that you can see my desktop so that I can start the class. Marty, how about you? Okay, I'm assuming she can also see. Let's get started. So the agenda is same. We're going to discuss StateMachine workflows, what they are, how they can be configured, and then we'll see how to use transactions in the workflows. We'll see
Hello,
the
Prashant.
yeah.
Yesterday I had to leave because it was not working the WebEx. So after I left, did you cover anything?
No, actually we dropped the class because anyway the network was not good.
Okay. Thank you.
So I'm just restarting the same session.
Okay, so I didn't miss anything.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So so far we have worked with sequential workflows, and we understand that they execute in a linear fashion, meaning they start at the with the first activity or first step, and the steps defined inside the workflow are executed one after the other. Of course, you can have some event or external event-driven activities defined, something like the delay activity, or you can have if-else branch, which will define the step that gets executed along the way, but it is pretty much top-down linear fashion execution. So on the other hand, we have these StateMachine workflows which start with a state. So initially there will be a state, and it will be in that state until some event happens. So it can be an automatic event, or it can be an external event-driven event that will cause the state to change to something else. So among the states, we will define what is the start state and what is the end state. So in between these two, how it moves is up to us. The way we program, it moves in that fashion. So a couple of examples, if you ask, you can consider leave application to be a StateMachine based workflow, because when you submit your leave application, it is in the submit state, and it will be in that state until your manager approves it. So once your manager approves it, the application is now in accepted state. If your manager rejects it, the application will be in the rejected state. Similarly, for order processing system, initially when you place the order, it is in the order submitted state. some procurement manager or somebody will approve it, then it is in the approval state, which will be forwarded to the supplier. So when they ship the items as per your order, so your order is in the shipping state. And if you want to cancel the order before or after shipping, then the order will be in the cancelled state. If you cancel the order anytime in this. So now let us see how to build a StateMachine workflow here in .NET Framework. So we have a state activity, which is the basic building block for the StateMachine activity, StateMachine workflow. So you identify what are different